topic applications of matrices and determinants. Next, we'll continue with this topic, how to solve the system of linear equations. Solving a system of linear equations. In the high school, what you have done? In the high school, you use many methods to solve the linear equations. For example, substitution method or elimination method and so on. We use the matrix method to solve the system of linear equations. So first what we are doing? Now, if there exists a system of linear equations, Ax equal to b, you know how we can write the system of equations in the form Ax equal to b, then the solution is given by this x, capital X. What is this x? Which equal to A inverse into b, which is equal to A inverse into b. So next, so what is this A inverse? A inverse value we have learned earlier, it is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So this is A inverse 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A into B. So this is the solution. This is the solution. So X gives us the solution using this formula. So in the question, this question finding the solutions will come for 5 marks. So this formula will carry 1 mark. Okay. Next we'll do one sum. 5x plus 2y equal to 4, 7x plus 3y equal to 5. We have to find the solution. We have to find the solution of system of linear equation. So first, what is the condition? Write this in the form Ax equal to b. So write this in the form Ax equal to b. How to write? Write the coefficient matrix first. Coefficient matrix first to write as A. So what are the coefficients here? 5, 2, 5, 2. Next, 7, 3, 7, 3. So we wrote the coefficient. Next write the variables x, y, which is equal to right side 4, 5, write the constant. So this is of the form Ax equal to b. This is of the form. So the solution is x, which is equal to xy, the variables, which is equal to A inverse b by the formula. What is A inverse? A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A into b. So this is the formula. You write the formula first, this will carry 1 mark. Next you have to find the determinant. You have to find the determinant, then adjoint, and then you have to find b. So first find the determinant. What is the determinant? Determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix is this minus this. So 5 3 is 15 minus 14. So it is 1, not equal to 0. So 15 minus 14 is 1, not equal to 0. If determinant of A not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. So therefore A inverse exists. So therefore A inverse exists. Next find the A inverse. So for that A inverse what you need? You need adjoint A. How to find adjoint A? What is adjoint A of a 2 cross 2 matrix? Interchange the diagonal elements and change the sign of other two elements. So interchange the diagonal elements. So it becomes 3, 5. 3 comes here, 5 goes here. Next here, change the sign. So 7 becomes minus 7, 2 becomes minus 2. So this is the adjoint. Next, so therefore what is the solution? So therefore, so the solution is xy 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A into B. So substitute now. Determinant of A is how much? 1. Adjoint A is how much? Adjoint A is this matrix. Then B equal to this. Substitute now. So substituting, you get xy equal to 1 by determinant of A is 1. Adjoint A is this. B is this. B is this. B is this. Now we have to multiply this adjoint A into B. How to multiply? This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is a 2 cross 1 matrix. 2 2 same. What is the order of new matrix? 2 cross 1. Multiply. 3 4s are how much? 3 4s are 12. Minus 5 2s are 10. You have multiply row into column. So second row into second column. Minus 7 4s are 28. 5 5s are 25 plus 25. So this is equal to 12 minus 10 is 2, minus 28 plus 25 is minus 3. So what we are getting? Capital X xy equal to 2 minus 3. So equating the two matrices, what you get? X equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. So this forms the solution. X equal to 10, y equal to minus 3 forms the solution. So this is the way how you find the solution. I hope I am clear. First you have to find this is the formula, this is the formula. Then take the determinant. Determinant is not equal to A inverse exists. Solution is given as A inverse B, 1 by determinant of adjoint A. Next to find the adjoint A. You know how to find adjoint A for this 2 cross 2 matrix. Then substitute, multiply to B. Final answer is the solution. Now next we'll find the solution of system of linear equations if these are given, if 3 equations are given. If 3 equations are given. Before we had 2 equations, we will get a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now here we have 3 equations, so we can get the 3 cross 3 matrix. So the equation will be given like this. Equations will be given like this. X minus y plus z equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0. X plus y plus z equal to 1. Now this is the equations given. Now how can you write this in the form of matrix? We can write this in the form Ax equal to B. How? You write the coefficients of this first. Write the coefficients of this first. What is the coefficient here? 1, minus 1, 1. Right? So the coefficients are 1, minus 1, 1. Next here, what are the coefficients? 2, 1, minus 3. Right here, 2, 1, minus 3. Next, which are the coefficients? 1, 1, 1. Right here, 1, 1, 1. Next, write the variables. Which are the variables? X, Y, Z. Write the variables here. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Next, which are the constants? 4, 0, 1. Write the constants. 4, 0, 1. Constants 4, 0, 1. So this is of the form Ax equal to B. Next, the solution is given by the formula x equal to A inverse B, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A into B. So first we have to find the determinant. First find the determinant. So determinant, what is the determinant A? What is the determinant A? Determinant A equal to, we have to find determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So how to find determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix? Plus minus plus. So determinant of A equal to plus minus plus. You know how to find the determinant. First plus, then cover the row and column. This minus 1 into determinant of this plus 1 into determinant of this. Solve this. Next solve this. So plus 1 into 1 into 1 minus of minus 3 plus here minus minus plus 1 into 2 minus of minus 3 plus 1 into 2 into 1 to 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 minus or minus 3 is plus 3. So this is 1 plus 3 4. Here 2 minus or minus 3 2 plus 5. So it is plus 5 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So it is 10. So you get determinant of A is 10 not equal to 0. If determinant A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. So therefore A inverse exists, and this is the solution. Next we have to find adjoint A. How to find adjoint A? Next, adjoint A is this matrix, cofactor matrix transpose. This is the cofactor matrix, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. The whole transpose. The whole transpose. So this is equal to, you know how to find this matrix. So write plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Next we have to find M11. What is M11 for? First position, cover its row, cover the column. What remains? Take its determinant. 1, minus 3, 1, 1. Next, the second position is this minus 1. Cover its row, cover its column. What remains? Take its determinant. Take its determinant. Next here, this position 1. Cover its row, cover its column. What is the determinant you take? Next, here, this position 2. We have to find the minus, so cover its row, cover the column. What remains? Take its determinant. Take its determinant. Next, this position, so cover its row, cover the column. What remains? Take its determinant. 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, this position, minus 3. You have to take the minus, so eliminate the row, eliminate the column. What remains? 1 minus 1, 1, 1. Take its determinant. take its determinant. Next, this position, eliminate the row, eliminate the column, what remains, take its determinant, eliminate the row, eliminate the column, what remains, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 3. Next here, this position, eliminate the row, eliminate the column, what remains, take its determinant. Next, this position 1, eliminate its row, eliminate the column, take its determinant, 1 minus 1, 2, 1. This is the cofactor matrix. So here we have to take for adjoint this transpose, so right here transpose. So this matrix is equal to, now solve the determinant, now solve this determinant here, 1 into 1, 1, 1, minus or minus plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4. Next minus, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus or minus 3, plus 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 5. Next here, plus 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so it is plus 1. Next here, minus 1, minus 1. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2, so it is 2. Here, take the determinant 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Here, take the determinant 1 into 1 is 1, 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Here, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, so plus 2. Here minus, so 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Next here, 1 into 1 is 2, 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So therefore, this is the matrix, we have to take its transpose, now take the transpose, 4 minus 5, 1, write it as column. Next row is this, write it as column. Next row is this, write it as column. So this is nothing but the adjoint of this matrix A. This is nothing but the adjoint of this matrix A. This is the last step, we have to find the solution. What is the solution? Solution is A inverse B, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A into B. So this is equal to, determinant is 10, so 1 by 10 into adjoint A. Adjoint A we got just now, substitute 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1 minus 2, 3. So B is this 4, 0, 2. Now multiply, you know how to multiply 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 1 matrix, 3 and 3 are equal, the matrix product is outer one 3 cross 1, so multiply 4 4s are 16, 2 zeros are 0, plus 2 2s are 4. Next minus 5 4, minus 20, plus 0, plus 5 2s are 10. Next 1 4s are 4, 4, minus 20 0 plus 0, plus 6. So this value is 1 by 10 into 16 plus 4 is 20, minus 20 plus 10 is minus 10, 4 plus 6 is 10. So this value is, now 20 divided by 10 is 2, 10 by 10 minus 1, 10 by 10 is 1. So we have x equal to xyz, which is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. So therefore x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. So this is nothing but the solution of the system of linear equation. This is the answer. This is a very important 5-mark question. For this last step, 1 mark, the formula 1 mark, adjoint of matrix A 2 marks, then for finding determinant 1 mark. So 5-mark questions, this is the answer. This is how we find the answer.